So you did everything right. You dove into your video settings, found the comments box, and proudly set it to allow all comments. You hit save, you refresh the page, and nothing. You're still staring at that dreaded gray text, comments are turned off. What is going on? You followed all the steps, but your viewers can't engage, your community can't grow, and you're missing out on all that valuable feedback. It's enough to make you want to throw your computer out the window. It feels like a glitch, but the truth is, it's not a bug, it's a feature. The problem is that YouTube has a hierarchy of settings, and there's one powerful, often overlooked switch that's overriding everything you do. It's a setting designed to protect kids, but for most creators, it's the silent culprit shutting down the conversation on their entire channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly where this hidden setting lives, how to change it, and how to make sure you never have to deal with mysteriously disabled comments ever again. We're going to fix this for your old videos and set you up for success on all your future ones. Let's get right into it. You've gone into your video details, you've told YouTube to allow comments, but they're still off. Why? It almost always comes down to a single channel setting that's overriding your individual video preferences. First, we're going to find it and fix it on a single video, because this is the most common reason your comments are disabled. The number one reason your comments are disabled is because your video, or your entire channel, has been marked as made for kids. This is a setting YouTube created to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, which has strict rules about collecting data from kids under 13. To keep things simple, YouTube just disables features like comments, personalized ads, and the notification bell on any content it thinks is for children. The tricky part is that YouTube's algorithm can be a little overzealous and sometimes makes this decision for you. If your video has animation, features kids, or even just covers a topic the system flags as childlike, it can automatically mark your video as made for kids, instantly shutting off your comments without telling you. You might not even know it happened. So let's fix it on one of your videos right now. First, head over to your YouTube studio. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left and click on Content. This will show you a list of all your videos. Find the video with the disabled comments and click its thumbnail or title to open the Video Details page. Now, scroll down until you see the Audience section. It's usually right under the description box. Here, you'll find the question that's causing all the trouble. Is this video made for kids? Required. You'll see two options. Yes, it's made for kids. No, it's not made for kids. If yes, it's made for kids is checked, congratulations, you found the problem. That one little button is overriding your command to allow comments. To fix it, just select no, it's not made for kids. Once you've done that, scroll down a bit more to the Comments and Rating section. You should see that your comment settings are now active and ready to go. You can choose Allow All Comments, but the best practice is to select Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for review. Finally, and don't forget this part, go to the top right corner of the page and click that blue Save button. If you leave without saving, all that work was for nothing. Now, go refresh your video page. Your comments section should be live. But what about the rest of your videos and your future uploads? Doing this one by one is a huge waste of time. So now, let's fix the root of the problem for good. If you're constantly fighting with the Made for Kids setting on every new video, it's because your entire channel has the wrong default. This is the master switch, and changing it is the most important thing you can do for your channel's long-term engagement. This won't change your existing videos, but it will make sure every new video is set up correctly from the start. Here's how to set it and forget it. Start in your YouTube studio again. This time, look for the little gear icon at the bottom of the left-hand menu that says Settings and click it. A pop-up window will appear. In this menu, click on the Channel tab, then click on Advanced Settings. Right there in the middle of the page, you'll see the Audience section again. This is the master control for your whole channel. You've got three choices. Yes, set this channel as made for kids. If this is selected, it's the source of all your headaches. No, set this channel as not made for kids. This is the one most creators should pick. It tells YouTube that your content is for a general audience, leaving comments on by default. And I want to review this setting for every video. This is a decent option if you make a mix of content, but it means you have to remember to set the audience every single time you upload. For most of us, the best choice is number 2. No, set this channel as not made for kids. Go ahead and select it. Once you've selected no, click the Save button in the bottom right. We're almost done. There's one more default setting we need to check to make this fix bulletproof. Go back into Settings, that gear icon again, but this time click on Upload Defaults. Now head over to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll find the Comments section. Make sure this dropdown is not set to Disable Comments. The best setting here is Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for review. This keeps the conversation going while automatically filtering out most of the spam and junk. Click Save. And just like that, you've created a system where every new video you upload will have comments enabled and properly configured from the get-go. Okay, so your future uploads are safe, but what about the dozens or maybe even hundreds of videos already on your channel with the comments turned off? Going through them one by one sounds like a total nightmare. Don't worry, YouTube has a powerful bulk update tool that can fix them all at once. Here's how to do it. Go back to your YouTube studio and click on Content in the left-hand menu. At the top of your video list, you'll see a little checkbox next to the word Video. Click it. This will select all the videos on that page, which is usually 30. But we want to edit them all. After you click that box, look to the right. A new option will appear that says Select All. Click that. You should see a message at the top confirming all videos on your channel are selected. Now that all your videos are selected, a new menu bar will pop up. Click on Edit. A giant drop-down menu will appear with a ton of things you can change in bulk. We only need 2. First, find Audience and click on it. Set all of your videos to No, it's not made for kids. Next, go back to the Edit drop-down and find Comments. Click it, and from this menu, choose Hold Potentially Inappropriate Comments for review. Once you've made both of those changes, the final step is to click the blue Update Videos button on the far right. A warning will pop up asking you to confirm that you know this is a permanent change. Check the box that says, I understand the implications of this action, and click Update Videos. Now, YouTube will start working in the background. Depending on how many videos you have, this could take a few minutes or even a few hours, so just be patient. You can even close the page and let it do its thing. Once it's done, comments will be enabled across your video library. While the Made for Kids setting is the problem 99% of the time, here are a couple of quick things to check. First, comments are automatically disabled on private videos. If you want comments, your video has to be either public or unlisted. So just be aware that if you've set a video to private, comments won't be an option. Second, if you're using a supervised Google account, there might be restrictions in place. This is usually for younger users, and the main account holder would need to be the one to change the permissions. And finally, on very rare occasions, it can just be a browser glitch. If you are absolutely certain all your settings are correct, try clearing your browser's cache or opening your video in an incognito window. Sometimes an old bit of data or a rogue extension can cause problems. And that's it. You now know how to take back control of your comment section. We found the main culprit, that Made for Kids setting, and walked through how to fix it for a single video, for all your future uploads, and for your entire back catalog. The conversation in the comments is the bloodline of a YouTube channel. It's where you connect with your audience, get incredible feedback, and build a real community. Don't let one hidden setting shut that down. Now it's time to test it. Go check your settings, then come back to this video and drop a comment below to let me know if this guide worked for you. I read every single one. If this video helped you solve this frustrating problem, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials to help you become a YouTube pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the newly enabled comments.